Meaning of eye-wateringly.
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 Eye-wateringly. Eye-wateringly is an adjective used to describe something that is extremely shocking or surprising, often to the point of tears welling up in one's eyes. It can also refer to something that is financially expensive or difficult to afford. For example, an eye-wateringly high price tag on a luxury item would suggest it is so costly that it may bring tears to the eyes of the buyer. In short, eye-wateringly is a vivid expression used to convey a powerful emotional response to something that is either astounding or prohibitively expensive.